This year I'm really proud because I finally succeeded to grow peppers. These plants here had a really rough start. Just when they started to grow, most of them were eaten by roe deer. I didn't know roe deer liked peppers so much, but they do. They even ate our chili pepper plants with the spicy peppers on them. I hope they enjoyed it. That was before we installed an electric fence because we had too many visits by wild animals and most of our veggies didn't manage to get to our table. Fortunately, my pepper plants regrew and I want to pick some peppers today and make some appetizer, or as the French said, hors d'oeuvre, which I'll have for lunch. I'll need a few peppers. I'm choosing the bigger ones. It's good to pick the right veggies to encourage further growth of the plant, otherwise the plant thinks it did its job for the season. Let's get these. I think these 3 will be enough, and they are just from one plant. For my appetizer, I will also need fresh oregano, which I have in this part of our garden. It is currently flowering, so I will use the flowers as well, but we'll leave the rest for the bees. This is enough for our recipe, so let's go to the kitchen and make it. These are the products I need for my recipe. The peppers we picked from the garden, they are the star of this recipe. Fresh oregano, you can use another herb if you don't like the taste of oregano. 50 grams of chopped raw walnuts, you can leave few for garnish. 250 grams of fresh ricotta, 250 grams of white cheese with less water content, pepper, extra virgin olive oil. These products are for 2 portions. I'll add the list of the products and the recipe in the description of the video, so if you are interested in the recipe, you can check it. What we do with the oregano, firstly we'll pick few flowers and leave them for garnish because they are just too pretty. The rest of the herb we'll use in the recipe. Basically what you do with the herbs, you pull in the opposite direction and you get the leaves. The stems are a bit too hard, so we won't use them. We'll chop the oregano with a sharp knife. We'll mix the white cheese and ricotta. We add the ricotta. Some pepper. If you don't like pepper, you can omit it from the recipe. Some extra virgin olive oil. We'll add our oregano. And our chopped walnuts. We mix well. Now we cut the peppers on halves with a sharp knife. We remove the seeds. And make something like gondolas. This is a vegetarian recipe, and it's also a low-carb recipe because peppers are low in carbs. And it's a very well-balanced recipe. You have your protein from the ricotta and white cheese, you have vegetable, and you also have fat from the walnuts and the olive oil. And the last one. And now we will just assemble our appetizer. This is a wonderful summer recipe. In summer, you usually don't like to spend too much time in the kitchen. Here you don't cook, but you have a really nice and delicious lunch that will fill you, and you also enjoy the fresh production from your garden. You just have to divide the stuffing between 6 halves. Maybe press a bit. These are our peppers, stuffed with delicious ricotta and white cheese filling. We just have to garnish them, and we'll drizzle some olive oil. Add the walnuts we left for garnish, just to show what's inside and because it's pretty. And as you know, people eat with their rice also. And the flowers of oregano. You can also sprinkle in the plate. And here we are, our delicious summer lunch is ready. It's a wonderful recipe for the hot summer days. It doesn't take more than 10 minutes to prepare it. And you can improvise with the filling. This is my version, but you can use different products for the filling if you don't like the white cheese. As I said, I will add this recipe and the ingredients you need in the description of this video. So if you are interested, you can check. And if you are still watching this video, this means you like the food I prepared. So there are 2 buttons, like and subscribe. Please use them if you want to support my channel and to see more delicious food recipes like this one. Use the comment section. I would love to hear what you think about this recipe. See you in the next video.